How to create bitcoin.com wallet account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account and then tap on the search bar to search for this application. So let's search for bitcoin.com, and as you search for it, you can see the application which I've already installed it. So I'm going to tap on open. Now it will land us to the home page of the bitcoin.com application over here. So just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Now wait for a while and it will just land us to a new page. So here you can see different options. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection over here. Now in order to sign into Bitcoin or create an account, simply you can tap on the sign in to Google, or you can just enter your email. I'm going to tap on sign in with Google, and as you do that, it will land us to the browser where you can select the account that you want to associate with bitcoin.com wallet account, and then tap on continue. And as you tap on continue, you can just give access to storing data. So it will start authenticating, and just wait for a while. The process of authenticating has started. So just tap on settings and there you go. You have created a bitcoin.com wallet account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.